Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is today's share. I am doing a DIY Incredibles 2 Halloween costume. Stay tuned. Hello, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to make some Incredibles costumes for me and my baby. I currently have the felt out. I have orange, black, and yellow, and as you can see, the symbol is right here on my phone. I'm going to be going from that. I printed this out just to have a guide to go from. Using this guide to go from, I'm going to start with the yellow circle. I'm just going to fold the felt in half, like so. There's your circle. This off. Just got a piece like this. And I'm going to take the circle and put it on top just like this. And I'm just going to cut around it. And there's your two. One, two. By no means does it have to be perfect. DIY is what makes it you. I'm going to move on to the next shape, which is this odd circle here. Yes, ma'am. And this is what you end up with when you cut it like that. Now, it kind of looks like a circle cut in half. And so I'm going to cut this in half. Like that. And I'm going to clean up the edges just a little. They're kind of jagged. And this is what you get, kind of like a half moon. And you're going to do the other one the same. And now we're going to do this shape here, which is like a half C. And that's going to be the orange. Cut it in half. And I'm just going to cut some circles. Just make sure your bottoms meet, because that's going to be the bottom of your candle stick. That's what I call it. And as you see, it goes down a little bit in a slant. That's honestly already slanted right here. See how it's already slanted down on this piece? I'm just going to follow that guide. I don't know what I'm thinking of. Okay, this is how we're looking. Everything is underneath here. So now what we're going to do is put the iron right on top. A few seconds and it should adhere. It suggests on the directions to do it for like 2 seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is what you have when it's on there. These are on there. Also, the way you know it's on the right side is you will see this on the back. Okay, now I'm just going to cut these out. swear this is just like opening those bags when you try to put your veggies in it at the grocery store. It's crazy. And I have no fingernails. So once again, this is how it comes off. I'm going to share with you guys one more time how I did the shape. I basically, once again, I just went from this. But we have our oval shape here. We have the black part, and this is basically also an oval shape, but it's off centered like that. You just want to cut. This is your circle, and you're just going to cut it down to where it looks like this. It looks like that. And the way this goes on is you want to put the smaller side here and your larger side there because it's off. It's like this. That's how it is. It's like that. And then you get your eye, and you're going to put it right at the bottom, and you're going to dot your eye. This is basically what you come up with. Your incredible symbol. I almost forgot one piece, which is the white of the eye. Just forgot all about it for some reason, but you want to just, all I did was fold the felt like that, cut a circle, and it gives you two on the back to let you know you have the right side. And what you're basically going to do is go ahead and place your scissors to do it. That should be right on center. I got this in a 2T, I think. Yeah. 2T. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that, and I'll be back. I went and got my tacky glue and the liquid stitch permanent adhesive. I'm just going to place this down. But now it's on there. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so I've completed the shirts. This is mine, and this is Zion's. We have a little red pants. They are 2T, black mask, and her shirt. I have the same black mask. I'm going to wear these red tights, these Spanx, black gloves, got from Amazon. The tights are from Party City. It's my shirt. Shirts, Hobby Lobby. Felt, Hobby Lobby. Heat and Bun, Hobby Lobby. Party City. And these little red pants are from Target. $5.50. 2T. So that completes the costumes. We're going to go ahead and put it on and see how it looks. I'm also going to wear these boots. Forgot to mention, I don't wear heels anymore, but it's just going to be for the costume. These are very tall, very sexy. I'm just going to wear them because those are the ones I have. I have some lower ones, but it just doesn't look right. Okay. Best I can do to get pictures with both of us. Mm-hmm.